Hello friends, welcome to Pi Study YouTube channel. So in this module 4, I will discuss about the easy manner in which you can draw a equation on a graph using the mathematical concept. This module or the module which earlier I taught you is useful for NTSC Olympiad, Engineering Entrance Exam and University Entrance Exam. So let's start. So first thing is how we can transform the function. Earlier in the in other module, I told you about how to draw the function. If any function is given, then how we can draw it, like how we can draw exponential function, how we can draw logarithmic function. All things I have told you in the previous module. So in this module, I will discuss about the transformation. So there are 8 cases about which I will tell you how to transform fx to f minus x minus fx, f mod x mod fx, fx plus a, fx minus a, fx plus a, fx minus a. So in this module, uh, I will discuss only 4 cases and some other cases I will discuss later. So first, if any function fx is given, so how we can draw f minus x. So for that, first draw the fx, whatever function it is given, first draw it, then take the symmetric about y-axis of the original graph and do not consider the original graph. Let's start. First draw x and y-axis, then draw a graph y is equal to log x. Then take the symmetric. Symmetric means put the mirror on the y-axis, then take how the mirror image is imposing other side of the y-axis. So if you put the mirror on the y-axis, then you will get y is equal to, then you will get the graph, and this graph is nothing but y is equal to log minus x. And don't consider the original graph. So what we will do? We will remove the graph y is equal to log x. So now we have graph y is equal to log minus x. Second example, you know how to draw the exponential graph. So do one thing, take the symmetric about y-axis, put a mirror image on y-axis like this, mirror image. Then when you put the mirror on y-axis, then you will get the graph e to the power minus x. So the black line shows the graph of e to the power minus x. So next, second is fx to minus fx. How we can plot minus fx graph? So take the symmetric about x axis of the original graph and do not consider the original graph like this. Like draw the graph like minus e to the power x. So first draw the e to the power x graph, then take the symmetric about x axis. That means put a mirror on x axis and draw the mirror image on the negative side of y axis. So you will get the minus e to the power x plot. Then second case, minus e to the power minus x. So for this, first draw the plot of e to the power x. Then second draw the plot for e to the power minus x. That is the first case. So take the symmetric or put a mirror on y-axis and take the mirror image. So you will get the e to the power minus x. Then again you have to draw the minus e to the power minus x. Then put the mirror image on the x-axis and then take the mirror image of this graph. Then you will get the graph of minus e to the power minus x. So in this way, you can draw the e to the power minus x graph And remember, do not consider the original graph. Whatever graph from where you have started, do not consider that graph. So next, like if you want to plot the graph of y is equal to sin x, then you can plot like this. Then if I will tell you plot the y is equal to minus sin x, then how will you plot? Then same concept, put a mirror on x-axis, they and take the symmetry about this x-axis, then you will get the plot like this: y is equal to minus sin x, which is shown by the red line. Then do not consider the original graph, so remove the y is equal to sin x graph. Then the plot which is shown in this figure, it is for y is equal to minus sin x. Then second thing is, if you have to plot the y is equal to minus log minus x, then how will you plot? Then start from there, plot the y is equal to log x graph, then take the symmetry about the y axis as I told how to draw the fx to f minus x, and then again take the symmetry about x axis. So finally you will get the plot of minus log minus x. So come to the third case, fx is equal to minus f mod x. So in this case, whenever you need to plot the graph of f to fx to f mod x, then remember, remove the negative portion of x-axis, because mod never accept the negative value, and then take the symmetric about the y-axis of the remaining graph. So if you want to plot the graph of e to the power mod x, then plot the e to the power x plus x e to the power x first, then remove the negative portion of e to the power x, and put a mirror on y-axis and draw the mirror image. And in this case, whole graph is considered. So in this way, you can draw the y plot of y is equal to e to the power mod x. Now draw the graph of log mod x. So first draw the y is equal to log x graph. Then remove the negative portion. So in this case, there is no negative, there is no graph on the negative side of x-axis in case of y is equal to log x. So just take the mirror image of the about the y-axis, so you will get the log mod x. In this case, as there is nothing in the negative portion in case of y is equal to log x, so you can take you can take the log mod x after taking the mirror image. So come to the third one. So before going to this, I will tell you one more example. So if you have a graph of y is equal to sin x, so you know how to draw the y is equal to sin x, and you need to draw the y is equal to sin mod x. So for this, you need to follow the same concept. Remove the negative portion of the x-axis, that means in this way. Then put a mirror on y-axis in this way. Then take the symmetry or take the mirror image of the remaining graph. So you will get the plot like this. So this plot is the plot showing with the red color is the plot for y is equal to sin mod x. So next case, fourth case, fx is equal to mod fx. So in this case, we will learn how to plot the graph of whole mod of the function. So take the symmetric about x-axis for this, and remember, in this case only the symmetric need to be taken of the negative portion of y-axis. Remember this thing, and do not consider the negative portion of y-axis. So let's draw how we can start. So first, if you need to draw the graph of mod sin x, then first draw the y is equal to sin x. Then take the symmetry of only negative portion which is on the negative side of this plot. So if you take the symmetry, then you will get the graph of like this. Then remove the negative portion on y-axis in this way. So the remaining plot, you will get the plot of y is equal to mod sin x. Now come to the one example. This example was asked in 2013 in BHU BSc entrance examination. So in this, they have simply asked 0 to 50 pi mod sin x dx. What is the value of this? Then we will take the procedure for this solution. So integration means it is showing the area. Integration is the physical significance of integration is area, and the physical significance of differentiation is slope. So it is the case of integration. So first you have to given the y is equal to mod x. So plot the y is equal to mod x as I have told in the previous slide. Then, and in the module 3 I have told you how to calculate how much area is to be calculated for the 0 to 2 pi. So 0 to 2 pi area is 2, and this you have to calculate the area for 0 to 50 pi. If the area of 0 to pi is 2, then for 0 to 50 you have to 50 kind of such graph. So 2 into 50 is equal to 100. So this type of question you can solve using the graphical method in a very easy manner. So next, for if you have to draw the graph of mod log x or mod log mod x, so we will discuss this type of graph in the next module. So if you have any doubt, please tell me on comment section, and I will discuss your doubt. So things is to be taught to you, but it is your responsibility to revise more and more to get in a clear manner. So if you work hard, if you go through the all module 1 to module 4, then you have a better understanding of how the mathematics can be solved in a very easy manner and a very less time. So if you haven't subscribed this YouTube channel, then please subscribe 55 Study YouTube channel so that you can get the coming video related to basic concept of mathematics. Thank you so much.